Hi everyone, welcome back to the CASAS Goals Assessment Practice Math videos. This is video 2. So let's take a look at this first problem. We'll read it together, then you can pause the video and answer the question. Then we'll check the answers together. So you might want a piece of paper, pencil, and possibly a calculator. Okay, here's our next question. Which best describes line QR and line ST? Okay, so these are line segments, and we name them by taking these points here, endpoints, QR. So this is the line segment QR, and this is the line segment ST. Now sometimes you might see them written like this, QR, and a line to show that it's a segment, a part of a line, and ST, like that, and they go alphabetically. Q comes before R and S comes before T. So this is the name of each line segment. Okay, so which best describes them? Are they equal, intersecting, perpendicular, or parallel? So this one is a test of your vocabulary as well as your geometry. Pause the video, answer the question, and we'll check the answer when we come back. Alrighty, everybody. So, do we know what these words mean? So let's take a quick look. Equal just means that they are the same length. 1, 2, 3 squares. 1, 2, 3 squares. So yes, these two are equal. Same over here. 5 squares and 5 squares, they are both equal. Intersecting means that they cross. Perpendicular means that they intersect, but at a specific angle, a right angle, 90 degrees. And parallel means that they go on, and they are if it was a line, they would go on to infinity in both directions. They're like train tracks. They never meet because they're exactly the same distance apart. Okay, so lines can be equal and parallel, and they can be equal and intersecting. They can be equal and perpendicular. They can be multiple of these terms at the same time. But in our situation, we have to choose. So, are they equal? What do you think? No, this one looks longer, doesn't it? Okay, are they intersecting? Do they cross somewhere? No. Are they perpendicular? No. Are they parallel? Are they like train tracks that are the equal distance apart, so they never meet? Imagine these as train tracks. Yep, they are parallel lines. D. Okay, next question. A piece of string is 144 inches long. How many feet is the string? 1 foot equals 12 inches. You can draw a picture for this. You can use a calculator. You can do it in your head. You can figure it out on paper. I'll pause the video and answer the question. Okay, everybody. So, feet and inches. I'm going to draw a picture because that's how I like to solve problems. Totally up to you. This is a wiggly line because it's string. Okay, 144 inches is the total length of my string. Okay, I want to know how many feet is it? And a foot is 12 inches. Okay, well I have 144 inches. And I know a foot is 12 inches. So I'm going to say, okay, maybe this is 12 inches. That would be 1 foot. 1 FT is foot. Okay, here another 12 will give me 24 inches altogether here. That would be 2 feet. Okay, another notch. This would be 36 inches. This would be 3 feet. So I could keep going on like this, adding 12 each time until I got to 144 and see how many feet that is. That seems like a lot of work. Okay, I can also think about this as 144, and I am cutting it into equal groups of 12, right? 12 a foot, 12 inches a foot, 12 inches is a foot, 12 inches is a foot. So what am I actually doing? I'm doing 144 divided by 12. So some of you like to set up long division, that's awesome, and some of you like to use a calculator. So let's take a look at our handy dandy calculator. So I'm going to clear, and I'm going to go 144 divided by 12, and that is going to give me my answer 12. Now, some of you know that just looking at the problem. You learned in school 12 twelfths. 144, good for you. Lots of ways you can figure this out. So the answer is C, 12. Okay, last problem today. This is reading a graph. So not much information here. I have a y-axis, okay, and I have an x-axis. So that's this line of numbers here and this line up here. I also have a title. I don't really have any units, but I know from general knowledge that MTWTHF is days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Don't know what these numbers are. Hopefully my problem is going to tell me. According to the graph, and what kind of graph is this? Yeah, it's a bar graph or a bar chart. According to the graph, about how many people, so these numbers here must be people, ordered from the lunch cart on Tuesday. Okay, take a look, solve the problem. Okay, looking at Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, here we are. This is the bar I'm looking at, and I know it's kind of halfway between my 30 and 40. So let's see what the answer might be. What number is halfway between 30 and 40? That's right, 35. So A is your answer. Good job, everybody. Well done. We'll see you on the next video.